Hey guys, Stuart here, welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into our Sheetify Projects toolkit, which is an all-in-one Google Sheets project management template. Today I'm going to share how you can use our built-in Kanban board found inside our Sheetify Projects toolkit. Now, if you're completely new to our Sheetify Projects template, I'll add a full tutorial down below that will cover all the tools and features that you can leverage in this project management toolkit built with Google Sheets. I'll also add other information about all our Google Sheets business templates down below in the description. Okay, so let's dive into Sheetify Projects. Now down here you can see we're on the Kanban board view. This is a built-in Kanban board. And what this visual Google Sheets Kanban board is doing is showing you your project tasks, the information about each task associated to the selected project. Again, if we navigate over to Projects, you can see all your projects here. Then if we navigate down to Tasks, this is where we can see all project tasks. We have the project here, the grouping, and then the associated tasks. And then we have other task details across here. Now you can also access a dashboard to understand your different project performance, a timeline view, as well as a multi-timeline view for all tasks associated to your projects. We then have a calendar view, again a Kanban, team interactions, and email templates. This allows you to customize your email templates that you set up to send automatically based on triggers, or you can send it manually to your team. Okay, let's jump back over to Kanban, navigate up to Project, let's select Project C, and you can see we have one task that is completed, one task has just been created, one task is in progress, and another task is stuck. And you can see all this information about each task. For example, this task that has been labeled in progress has a group called backlog, the task name is review blueprint, the priority is low, and the completion is 30%, and the assignee is Katie John. Again, you can jump through all your different projects here and get a visual Kanban view of your tasks based on your projects. Again, all this data, all this information is connected to your task sheet based on status and priority. For example, if we change low to high and navigate back over to Kanban view, you can see the color association, priority high, this orange color, and low is this blue color. If we navigate back over to tasks and change this priority to medium, the color will change to this yellow color. Again, this just shows you a visual representation of your tasks based on the project that you select. Now, if we navigate over to settings, you can update your task statuses as well as your project statuses, groups, priority, and more information across here. In particular with the Kanban view, the data is being pulled from priority and task status. So you can change these labels here or these labels here. Pretty cool, huh? Let's jump back over to the Kanban board, and that's how you can use a built-in Kanban board inside our Sheetify Projects toolkit. Again, if you want to learn more about Sheetify Projects or any of our other Google Sheets business toolkits, I'll add all relevant resources, tutorials, and links down below in the description. If you got value from this tutorial, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.